Hi, I am Cleon from ClearTax. In this video, I will tell you the 3 secrets of ensuring good SIP returns. A systematic investment plan or SIP is a way of investing your money in mutual funds. It helps you invest fixed amounts of money periodically in a mutual fund scheme of your choice. You could invest as low as rupees 500 per installment in the daily, weekly, or monthly SIP at your convenience. Let's understand the 3 secrets of making profits from SIP. Opt for a longer SIP tenure. Studies have shown that if you invest in equity diversified mutual funds through SIP for 5 years, the probability of suffering a loss is just around 3%. You must stick with SIPs for the long run if you want inflation-beating returns from equity mutual funds. You will find the bear market generally lasting for 1 to 2 years in India at a time. It helps if you have a longer time horizon of around 5 years, as your investment through SIPs has the time to bounce back when bull markets return. Extend the investment horizon if you start SIPs during a stock market peak. You may have started investing in equity funds through SIP during a stock market peak. It means you could suffer a loss if you exit your investment within 1 to 2 years. You don't have to worry if you invest in equity funds through SIP with a longer investment horizon of around 10 years. You could extend your investment horizon if you start SIPs during a stock market peak. Select the right equity fund. You have a systematic investment plan as a way of investing in mutual funds. It would help if you picked equity funds that have outperformed the market index and peers over some time, rather than focus on SIP dates. You must select an equity fund that matches your risk profile and helps you attain financial goals. It would help if you checked the AMC's track record and the investment style of the fund manager before investing your money in the equity fund. If you choose a poorly performing equity fund, you may not earn an inflation-beating return even on extending the SIP tenure or staying with SIPs for the long run. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And do subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.